I'm gonna show you how I became a YouTube partner as a small creator and how you can too, and we're starting right now. What's up guys, my name is John, and if this is the first time you come to my channel and you want to learn all about affiliate marketing and making money from home, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen and go ahead and click that little bell icon so that you're notified every time I release a new video. Now guys, I actually created this video because in the beginning, I actually didn't start YouTube to actually become a partner. I actually just wanted to drive traffic to my products and my affiliate products and kind of just build my brand. But as I was talking to different internet marketers in my space, and they have thriving YouTube channels, they told me that I was missing out on some revenue, some additional revenue that I could be getting from YouTube just by becoming a partner. So as a small YouTube channel, guys, I actually became a partner maybe a couple weeks ago, and in this video I want to show you exactly how you can do it and some of the do's and don'ts that I've learned on the way to becoming a YouTube partner. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so I want to start this video out in prefacing and letting you know that up front, I'm no big YouTube guru, right? So what I'm going to be sharing with you today is things that I've literally learned on my journey into becoming a YouTube partner, because I just became a partner a couple weeks ago. I just started monetizing my videos. You can probably see the little ads coming up for my videos, and YouTube is actually I'm starting to generate revenue from YouTube for making videos that I was already going to be doing anyways, and this is what makes it so cool. So again, I just want to preface that I'm no guru. There's tons of YouTube gurus out there, but I just wanted to give you my experience and kind of let you know some of the do's and don'ts that I think you should follow if you are striving to become a YouTube partner and start generating revenue from YouTube/Google. So let's go ahead and jump right into the don'ts first. So number one, don't get discouraged, right? So when you first start out on YouTube, it is a journey. You know, there are probably like 1% of the YouTube population that starts their channel and then they just blow up overnight and they get thousands and thousands of subscribers and thousands of views. It doesn't really happen for the majority of us, right? So what I want you to know is if you're just starting out, don't get discouraged about views and subscribers. YouTube is actually a journey. It's an asset that you can actually grow over time, that can actually pay you over time, and not just in AdSense, but it can actually pay you through whatever your business is. And the other thing I want to say about, you know, getting discouraged is be careful with like paying attention to other big YouTubers, because this psychologically can mess with your head. You know, you can see some of these other big YouTubers out there and how they're just getting thousands of subscribers and thousands of views, and it just seems so easy to them, and then you get in your head and you're thinking to yourself, I can never do this, I'll never grow, I can never edit like them, I'll never sound like them on camera. You know, don't focus on that. Focus on you and your channel and getting your content the best it can actually get. The second don't worry about views and subscribers right at the beginning, right? So if you're just starting out, the views and the subscribers are going to be low. Duh. You know, you're not going to just come out the gates with thousands of views. It's going to be slow coming out when you're first starting with YouTube. Don't even worry about it. What you want to focus in on is your content of your video. Trying to make your content the best that you possibly can, because what YouTube really cares about is watch time. And if you focus on watch time and people are actually enjoying your videos, even if there's a small percentage of people that are actually watching your videos, if they're watching your videos throughout the whole video, then YouTube is going to trigger its algorithm to say that, okay, well, they like watching this video, well, maybe I should suggest it more. And then their video comes up in the suggested search areas and on the suggested pages, and then that's how you're actually going to get more views and more subscribers. So in the beginning, don't worry about views, don't worry about subscribers, focus on watch time, guys. So, and one tip to get longer watch time is to basically have lists, right? So you can have the top 10 list of this, the top 5 websites for that, or you can have the top do's and don'ts of what you should do on YouTube. So hopefully you'll watch this whole video. And the last don't I wanted to talk about is don't be so hard on yourself. You know, I kind of prefaced this a little bit earlier. If you're new, there's a lot of things that you're going to learn. I learn different things every single day on YouTube, right? So you're not going to be the best in front of the camera. You're not going to be the most articulate and verbally facile. You're not going to have the best camera. You're not going to have the best lighting. We are all just human, guys. Everybody starts out somewhere and then they grow. You know, if you look at some of my videos when I first started this channel, they weren't that great. I had terrible lighting. I didn't have any thumbnails. And as I continued to just grow in my YouTube journey, I learned a little bit more. I got a little bit of different stuff. I improved my I actually started doing thumbnails, and that all just helped. But you know, we're not perfect, right? So don't be so hard on yourself. Don't be like beating yourself up if you leave something out or you don't say something perfect. None of us are perfect. We're all human. I mess up all the time in these videos, but hopefully you see that I'm just a real genuine person and that I'm out here really trying to teach you how to make some money online. So let's move on to the do's, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to get started properly. So if you're just starting your YouTube channel, I would suggest that you actually start off by getting your account set up properly. So you want to sign up for your YouTube account. You want to make sure that you get all your channel graphics done. So like your banners, if you want a logo that you're going to implement in your videos or on your channel somewhere, get your logo done. Maybe even have a template for your thumbnails. So that's going to make it much easier for you to start throwing up videos if you have a kind of a template for your thumbnails. Make sure you fill out everything in your profile, your about me. Just get everything set up so that that's the last thing you have to worry about when you're actually starting to produce all your content. Number 2, develop a plan, guys. So what I really mean by developing a plan is basically you want to, obviously you're already going to have your niche, but you want to actually do 2 things in developing your plan. One, you want to do some keyword research, and you can do that basically by just going to the YouTube search and finding out keywords, targeted keywords that people are searching in your niche. That way you have a good starting point of video ideas that you know that you want to create. So if I was you and I was just starting out, I would actually literally take out a piece of paper and I would try to write down 20 to 50 video ideas just by going through YouTube, using their search field to find targeted keywords. And then secondly, I would actually look at my competition and I would see what videos did really well for them, what videos had hundreds of thousands of views or 50,000 views, and they're, you know, just continually getting a lot of views and a lot of interaction and engagement. You know, look at those titles, look at those thumbnails, and you can take some of those titles and those thumbnails and you can model them so that you can start prepping and developing your plan so that when you actually start creating your videos, you're not having a lack of video ideas. I think a lot of people get stuck on YouTube because they just don't know what to say. They're just like pulling their hair out to try to figure out, you know, what do I talk about every single day, right? So you want to just plan ahead of time. So like before you even start creating content, just start a plan. Get 20, 30, 40 different video ideas together, and then at least you have a topic, you have the targeted keyword, and then from there, you can just start creating videos, knocking them out. All right, so the final do is basically consistency, guys. You have to be consistent on YouTube. I know you guys hear this all the time, but consistency really is key to your growth on YouTube. So what's going to help with you being consistent and uploading as much as you can is doing what we just talked about, is doing your developing your plan, you know, having all your video ideas. Because if you have a bunch of video ideas laid out, you can always pull from keywords, from subject matters that you have already kind of researched and have laid out for you, which is going to actually keep you consistent, you know, in making, you know, as many videos and uploading as many videos as possible. Now, you always hear on YouTube that you should upload daily, and that's great if you can do that, but at the minimum, try to upload at least 3 times a week. And if you're doing your pre-planning and you're doing your research ahead of time, uploading 3 times a week should be extremely easy for anybody, no matter what, even if you have a busy schedule. Now, you probably noticed that I really didn't talk about some of the things that every YouTuber always talks about. I think you guys hear it all the time. It goes without saying that you have to have a good title, description, tags, and thumbnails. So if you have questions about that, I'll link a card in the top of this video so that you can kind of get more information on that if you have questions about that specifically. All in all, guys, I want you to know that, you know, YouTube is a platform that, you know, regardless if you're a YouTube partner or not, you can actually utilize this platform to get free traffic to your business, to your affiliate links, for branding purposes. It's done so much for so many people, and it actually does pay you once you get to the partner program. Now, at the time of me making this video, the requirements to become a partner is 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have 4,000 watch hours. So again, focus on watch time, guys, because the views and the subscribers will come if you just focus on watch time. Just focus on watch time. Thumbnails are important. Don't forget about that. If you don't know how to create thumbnails, if you're not a, you know, graphics designer like myself, go to Fiverr. Get them done for really cheap. So honestly, I'm kind of excited to be a YouTube partner. You know, I'm now going to be getting paid for, you know, videos that I would have been uploading anyway. So it's pretty cool. And now I've created an additional revenue stream for my business. So this is John from johnmcneil.com, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. In the comment section below, leave your YouTube channel. I love to see it. I love to see what you guys are doing on your YouTube channel and how you're building your brands. And make sure you smash that like button if you like this video, and share this video with some other small YouTube creators. You know, us small YouTubers gotta stick together. All right, guys, this is John from johnmcneil.com. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.